love me. No, I don't need your stupid love.
I'm sorry for what I said.
Oh, then leave me
I'm sorry
alone.
for what I said. You know me. I don't believe you.
Love yourself first. Love yourself.
I love myself already.
Okay, can you leave me alone? Can you leave me alone? Like, can you...
Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Also goes begging as Nengi says she doesn't need his stupid love. Also, and Nengi might not be up for friendship in the BB Naija 2020 lockdown house anymore. They had a bad time on Saturday night and the drama started during the party. The duo had a melodrama when Nengi told him that he has been a pain in her ass, stressing that she does not need his stupid love despite how many times he told her that he loves her. After they left the party room, Ozo went to meet her in HOH lounge to settle the issue, but it was harder than he thought it could ever be. Nengi started the conversation by telling him that she does not understand how someone will understand her so much and yet would be angry because she ate a piece of meat. Ozo caught her to clear the issue. He told her that there was no way he would have been angry that she ate a mere piece of meat, but the lady reminded him that his mood changed towards her after she ate the meat on their food. She told Ozo that she does not want to be friends with him again.
It's normal for me to always give stuff.
I am sick and tired of having arguments with you. I don't want to be friends with you no more. Like, can we just go our separate ways? Because it's always like unimportant stuff. Like, meat.
Nengi was so angry and she also explained why she does not think they can continue their friendship in the house again. According to her, she was unable to make her face up for the Saturday night party because Ozo insisted that she washed the plates they used to eat because he was pissed about her eating his piece of meat. She also reminded him that he was responsible for her putting on slippers to the last live eviction show last week. Nengi told Ozo that she begged him to allow her bathe before him last Sunday so that she can have enough time to dress up, but he refused, only for him to take his time in the bathroom. The lady wondered what would have happened if she was evicted last Sunday and could not imagine herself going to the stage putting on slippers. Though Ozo tried to make her understand that he was not in any way angry with her, the lady could not see reasons with his statement.